exhausting talaga. Kaya parang after every take, tumatawa ako. I mean, it's important the production is supporting you also.
Played a character that people really love to hate in the past. How different is Farah and anong klaseng kontrabida si Farah?
Oh my God, crazy. Crazier,
Kontrabida,
yeah.
okay.
Dati kasi yung kontrabida that I did was yung kay with Aiko, yung sa Regal namin. It was more of like a sister bata, but this one is a bit, mas maraming ginawa nitong kalokohan, and I enjoyed it a lot. If you ask me again, maybe I don't enjoy it, but it's fun. Kakaiba, like ang daming mga mas creative, mas expressive yung expression ko dito, and iba talaga yung hugot ko dito. Sinasabi ng lahat ng tao. I don't know.
Saan mo nakukuha yung hugot mo?
Sa'yo. Char! Joke lang.
Yung hugot mo na ganung karakter.
Oh my God, I don't know. I mean, I always think it as a different individual. So, I prepare myself twice, and wala, I just be creative, and you know, I love observing people. I love sitting down in restaurants and just looking at people and trying to imagine what their lives are. Ano. I love reading books, yung mga ganon, and watching movies. And, yeah.
May mga pinagdaan ba kayo ni Carla sa mga sabunutan na eksena dito? Kasi marami daw
Oh, marami talaga. And we talk about it. And I always tell her na ako gusto ko totohanan. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya na yung fake. But you know, alalay lang. Kasi baka pag nasampal mo ako, hindi ko na maalala linya ko after. But you know, we really plan it a lot. And I love working with actors like that they're open to do it. Kasi mas natural. And being an actress, you want to be mas sincere, mas near the truth, mas maganda, people will feel it.
Ano yung natutunan nyo na bagong acting style kay Direk Aloy Adlawan? Baka may ano natutunan nyo?
Ako naman, this is my parang from Cadena ng Ginto, ito yung nag-unite kami ulit. So parang I feel like I'm back with my mom. Kasi he helped me where I am today of Cadena ng Ginto and Romina Mondragon. So now that we're doing Farah, it's parang nakaka-excite kasi iba naman yung gagawin namin together. And sobrang na-happy ako na nakatrabaho ko siya ulit. Naiyak nga ako kasi ang dami namin na pagdaanan together.
Your first few episodes.
Yes.
Your Farah is palaging galit, hysterical, always screaming. No? Does it exhaust you after? Because there are other actresses, like for example, Alessandra said na hindi na siya tumanggap ng kontrabida because when she goes home, she feels so exhausted.
Yeah, it exhausting talaga. Kaya parang after every take, tumatawa ako. I mean, it's important the production is supporting you also, and your whole cast also para balance lang. And also your family. My family helps me a lot, but you know, it's tiring, but you know, it's part of my job, and I love my job, and I really love exploring being a kontrabida also. Balance lang. Kaya now, kontrabida, next project naman, I'm doing a season 2 with Senator Bong na comedy naman para balance yung utak at buhay ko. But yeah, it's exhausting, but it's fun.
Yung sabunutan niyo ni Carla this first week, how was it? Like, totoo talaga? No?
Oo, totoo talaga. Pero alalay lang. Dancing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 there. But you know, totoo, syempre. Huwag lang matanggal yung extension ko. Talagang iyak na ako, no?
Also, Beauty, sabi mo kanina in your first few questions that you like observing people.
Yes.
Because also, I remember, I think it was John Lloyd also said this na, as an actor, it's important for their craft to observe others, but how can they do it when they're the most observed people also as public personality? So, how do you do it? How do you observe people when you're famous yourself?
Basically, pag after taping, minsan tumatambay lang ako kahit saan eh. I try myself to hide myself, na hindi ako mag-create ng noise na, oy, nandito ako, I try to cover myself or whatever. kahit saan lang naman eh, like sa beach or sa, kahit nagda-drive ako, nagpa-park ako, so gusto kong tumingin, just by observing and trying to imagine what's happening with their lives. And you know, when you're acting, you're also reacting with your actor. So it's important also that your actors also, your co-actors also giving, so that you can react. Kung hindi rin, mahirap. But yeah, mahirap. I don't know if I'm making sense right now, but that's how I learn observing people.
So far, have there been times that you get confused because you have to be this mabait in one scene and then another you're the...
Yes, I get confused. That's why we have the directors, yung mga production to keep us, ay, tama na, don't roll your eyes, or you see right now. And it helps a lot when you change your costume. Ako, what I do, I change my perfumes. I have my own thing. Like when pag para ako, I have a certain smell. So I can smell her. Pag Lucy ako, I have a certain smell. I have watches. I mean, certain little things that makes me feel that I'm into character.
Pero ano yung talagang mannerisms ni Carla as you see that?
Ganon. Mahilig siya ganon. Tsaka yung gaganon-ganon siya. Laging nagaganon. Si Farah naman ganon. Ganon. Yes.